It can be confusing when reading a plant tag or seed packet at the garden center. Should I select an annual or a perennial plant? Let's talk about the differences between annuals and perennials. Hi, I'm Brad Holmes from the University of Missouri Extension Master Gardeners of Greater Kansas City. The difference between an annual plant and a perennial is lifespan. The annual plant is one where seeds are planted, grows to maturity with showy blooms, produces seed, and dies all in one season. The roots of annuals are shallower and less extensive than perennials, so they generally require more watering and fertilization. Your favorite garden center will be teeming with bright-colored, blooming annuals. Annuals add much color and interest to the garden beds or pots for the patio and porch. Common annuals are geraniums, begonias, snapdragons, and zinnias. Annuals are hardy, half-hardy, or tender. Hardy annuals can tolerate colder temperatures, surviving a dip into the low 20s. Pansies and snapdragons are examples of hardy annuals. They can be planted very early in the spring or late in the fall. Half-hardy annuals will tolerate light frost down to 28 degrees. Some examples of half-hardy annuals are petunia, starflower, and asilium. Tender annuals do not tolerate temperatures below 40 and are planted after the last frost date for your area. Impatiens, vinca, zinnias, and marigolds are examples of tender annuals. The definition of a perennial means continuous or perpetual. Perennial plants have a long lifespan of several years and grow year after year. Perennials have a slower growth rate and a shorter bloom period, reaching peak flowering over several seasons. Examples of perennials are yarrow, daylilies, tall garden phlox, iris, coreopsis, and hostas. By definition, grasses, trees, and shrubs are considered perennials. Some perennials may require deadheading or division over their lifespan. Perennials survive winter due to their extensive and vigorous root systems. Herbaceous perennials are non-woody plants that grow up to maturity, flower, and die to the ground, only to return next year. Woody perennials do not die back to the ground. Many gardeners often plant a mix of annuals and perennials for a variety of colors and textures. Consult your garden centers, read those plant tags or seed packets to ensure the type of plant or seeds you are purchasing. Choosing the right light and location is always key for a successful garden season. There are excellent web resources to find more information. We always rely on research-based websites ending in .edu, .gov, or .org. We hope you enjoyed today's Tuesday tip. If you like our videos, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any of our next videos. See you in the garden.